All right, agency zaps. This is an idea that came to me yesterday, and so I wanted to make it for you. What we have going on is when you get a successful pull in Canopy Connect, we're going to grab that and we're going to grab it. We're going to test it. We're going to pull this information. We're then going to filter. Hang on a second. My phone's blowing up. Anyways, so we're gonna filter. I have a second filter in here just so as this gets used, it doesn't actually fire off and drop in my Slack channel 100 times a day. Um, so successful pull, we're going to look for the status contains success. This other part is just, like I said, the filter so it doesn't continue going. And then we're going to send ourselves a Slack, Teams, or Google Chat message. If you saw my tweet, that's why I was asking about it. So basically, you put in a message. We've got a successful pull from Canopy Connect. For Slack, this is the format, and I'll put it uh, in here on how to do this. So basically, you're just going to link back to the dashboard view of that submission. And then you have a Slack message going into any channel you want, of DM, whatever you want, every time you get a successful Canopy Connect pull. Um, just thought you guys might like that. Let me know what you think. And like always, I will drop the formatting and the template to this in the school account in the school.